we also have the other enzyme coming up. There are 4 enzymes important. Gamma glutamyl transpeptidase, that is also a very important enzyme, rarely discussed enzyme, but we'll be going through a slides which is we're going to be interpreting it properly. So let's come to alkaline phosphatase, the enzyme that catalyzes the hydrolysis of large number of organic phosphate esters. Alkaline phosphatase mainly comes from the surface of bile duct epithelial cells. Remember, surface of the bile duct epithelial cells. So bile duct में क्या होता है? Bile flow होता है. So logically, whenever there is a bile flow problem, this will be elevated. Because alkaline phosphatase is not coming from the hepatocellular cells, it is coming from the bile duct cells. So cholestasis enhances the synthesis and release of alkaline phosphatase. So cholestasis stands for bile flow problems. If the bile is flowing less, now why would the bile flow less? Because of an obstruction, and because of that, it's called an obstructive jaundice. It's also called cholestasis. Enhances the synthesis and release of alkaline phosphatase. So ALP, alkaline phosphatase, mainly coming from bile duct epithelial cells. So it will be elevated in case of cholestasis. And half-life is about 1 week. So ALP remains elevated. You know that half-life is about 1 week. पहले वाले का कितना था? ASTs and LDs का 17 hours and 47 hours. This has got a 1 week half-life. So alkaline phosphatase rise late in the bile obstruction and decrease slowly after the resolution. So you may say patient is relieved of the obstruction, but alkaline phosphatase remains elevated for a few days. Because of a long half-life, it also comes up slowly and also goes out slowly. Where exactly it is found? It is also found in bone disorders, intestine, by placenta, third trimester, and also by kidney. So liver, apart from the liver, it also it can be released from bone. We also seen in case of osteomyelitis, bone resorption disorders, alkaline phosphatase are elevated. Doesn't mean that it is only coming from liver. Placenta, mature placenta, third trimester placenta also releases alkaline phosphatase, and some part is also released by kidneys. So important point in case of alkaline phosphatase is it is also released from the other organs. It is not only the liver, but if you consider liver function test, main important finding in case of alkaline phosphatase getting elevated is cholestasis. So think about cholestasis. In case of, very commonly in case of an obstetric jaundice or obstetric cholestasis also is getting, any condition is going to be giving rise to cholestasis. Let me give you an idea about what are the conditions giving rise to cholestasis. This is the liver, this is the gallbladder, this is the bile duct. Let's say for example, there is a stone in the common bile duct, or there is a cholecystitis which produces flow of the bile is going to be less, obstruction of the common bile duct. All these things leads to failure or reduced flow of the bile, and that leads to cholestasis. That leads to alkaline phosphatase getting elevated. Only alkaline phosphatase getting elevated in case of pure cholestasis, because cholestasis can also be found along with viral hepatitis. So in case of viral hepatitis, all three is going to be elevated. SGPT, SGOT or AST, ALT. ALT will be more than ASTs, and alkaline phosphatase will also be elevated. So only alkaline phosphatase getting elevated, it is not a viral hepatitis, because it's only cholestasis, not inflammation or viral hepatitis that is the causative factor, causative problem in this. So alkaline phosphatase can be interpreted, if it is only alkaline phosphatase elevated, it is a pure cholestasis without viral hepatitis. If it is elevated along with the SGPT, SGOT or ASTs and ALT, then it can be viral hepatitis. Because as we talked about in the last flowchart, that a viral hepatitis giving rise to inflammation in the liver, acute inflammatory response that gives rise to reduced flow of the bile, and that gives rise to cholestasis also. So वायरल हेपेटाइटिस में तीनों बढ़ेगा, ALT ज़्यादा बढ़ेगा, AST कम बढ़ेगा, अल्कलाइन फॉस्फेटेज भी कम बढ़ेगा, लेकिन तीनों बढ़ेंगे. All three is going to be going up. Few more points about alkaline phosphatase. Increases seen with cell injury or an obstruction. Can you see that? Cell injury में भी बढ़ेगा, viral hepatitis में that we talked about, and obstruction. Slight to moderate elevation 1 to 2 times usually in hepatocellular jaundice. Large increase 3 to 10 times in case of obstruction or cholestasis. क्योंकि वायरल हेपेटाइटिस में ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन जो रहता है वो स्लाइट रहता है, बिकॉज इट इज़ द इन्फ्लेमेशन ऑफ द लीवर दैट इज गिविंग राइज टू ट्रैफिक जैम काइंड ऑफ कंडीशन इन केस ऑफ bile duct. It is not complete obstruction, it's a partial obstruction. So 1 to 2 times only it is getting elevated in case of hepatocellular disorders, which gives rise to slight obstruction. But प्योर ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन रहेगा, गॉल स्टोन रहेगा, पूरा ऑब्स्ट्रक्ट हो गया है, दैट गिव राइज टू 3 to 10 times. 3 to 10 times. So how much it is elevated also important rather than just elevated. And along with that, other enzymes will also be interpreted properly. So alkaline phosphatase increase in the cell injury also, but not more than 2 times. And in case of pure obstruction, it is elevated 3 to 10 times. 3 to 10 times. So what are the common causes of raised alkaline phosphatase? So we also have some physiological causes. As we talked about, it is elevated in case of obstructive factor in case of bile flow. So physiological conditions, women in the 3rd trimester of pregnancy, again this is very common to get elevated. Very commonly this patient comes with itching because of biliary stasis. So bile salts, bile pigments is going to be released less and less, it's going to be excreted by the skin. That gives rise to itching. That is a separate topic. But 3rd trimester of pregnancy, very commonly it can be elevated, because along with that it can also be released by the placenta. So that can also be an important condition along with that, because placenta, 3rd trimester placenta also has got alkaline phosphatase getting released. Adolescent age group, benign familial because of increased intestinal alkaline phosphatase. Again, alkaline phosphatase are also there in intestines. So a benign familial condition can also be a physiological condition in which it can be getting elevated. As we talked about, pathological conditions which gives rise to increase in the alkaline phosphatase. Increase in the alkaline phosphatase are the bile duct obstruction, primary biliary cirrhosis. Okay, biliary cirrhosis, this is very rare disorders. That is cirrhosis because of bile duct problems, inflammation in the bile duct, cholangitis commonly condition. Okay, sclerosing cholangitis. What is sclerosing cholangitis? Again, this is a very rare condition again, in which bile duct जो है वो और bile canaliculi जो है, these are getting sclerosed. That means getting fibrosed. तो अगर वो फाइब्रोज हो रहा है तो फ्लो ऑफ द बाइल कम हो जाएगा, फ्लो ऑफ द बाइल कम हो जाएगा तो अल्कलाइन फॉस्फेटेस बढ़ जाएगा. We can also have drug-induced cholestasis. For example, an anabolic steroids can give rise to drug-induced cholestasis. Anabolic steroids medically need to be given in some of the rare conditions. People do take it for building your muscle mass and all those things. That can give rise to cholestasis. Adult bile ductopenia. Ductopenia is duct becomes getting developed less. Again, a rare condition. Metastatic liver disorders. Liver में metastasis अगर है, liver is a very common organ which is going to have a secondaries of cancers, because liver has got a huge blood supply. तो अगर liver में कुछ secondary tumor है, let's say for example stomach tumor metastasizing into liver, again alkaline phosphatase will be elevated. क्यों? क्योंकि वो liver के अंदर जो tumor होगा, that tumor is going to obstruct again the bile flow. So any condition which is going to give rise to obstruction of the bile flow is going to giving rise to alkaline phosphatase getting elevated. Bone disorders also very common conditions in which this is going to be elevated. Is going to be elevated. Okay, next enzyme is gamma glutamyl. Before that, let me, if you have any doubt, you can raise your hands or maybe